Handpanuary is back. We are kickstarting 2025 with 30 handpan sessions throughout the month of January. This is a completely free project. Of course, if you would like to support the project, you can through my Patreon. If you do so, you'll also get access to all of the notation for each of these videos. So I do recommend that if you're interested in diving a little bit deeper. There will also be a WhatsApp community group through that space as well if you want to be in community throughout your journey. And that I really do recommend, because a big part of growing and learning and diving into a practice is not being alone in that. So it's going to look a little bit different from last year, as you might have gathered already. Last year was 5 days a week, and we were looking at drills and exercises and techniques. It was the first year, so I was figuring it out. This time it is 30 days. Day 1 is going to be super chill, and then we're in for the 30-day practice. I also listened to what you wanted. So rather than drills, we're looking at patterns, meditative exercises, things that will train the brain and get you learning new stuff, but also that will just get you into the habit of just playing daily. My intention with this year's Handpanuary was not to challenge you too much technically, but to just give you and myself permission to just take some time with the instrument and to just enjoy the process, to breathe with it, to ground with it, to really get to know it, and to build that habit of showing up daily, right? This is the practice. This is the practice of playing an instrument, of having some kind of regular routine for your own well-being, your own health, that you can then share with others. So the practices that we'll be looking at, they're all quite meditative, they're all really lovely sounding, they're all great launch pads for your own compositions or improvisations. They sound nice in their own right, but they also give you specific trainings and things that you need to develop in order to make more of that kind of music. I also have tried to make it accessible to as many people as possible, so we will be working primarily with D kurd scale. However, we'll also be working with E Amara, F low Pygmy, E Sabye, and C sharp Pygmy. If you want to get ready to launch in 2025, then I recommend, if you are a beginner, I recommend you check out my beginner series on my YouTube channel, just to kind of get acquainted with the foundations again. Some of these are a little bit challenging, the patterns for this year, but some of them are really easy. So there's something for everybody. Some days will challenge you, and some days you can just enjoy the process. Hopefully, that's my goal anyway. So yeah, let's get ready, let's do it, let's dive in 2025. Join the community, join the Patreon if you're able to support the project. I would really, really appreciate that. I'm really proud of this year's content. I've worked really, really hard on it. So I hope that you will enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed preparing for it. Yeah, I'll see you on the other side. I wish you a wonderful new year, and yeah, let's dive in.